you so much for clicking on this video. If you are new here, please make sure that you like, comment, and also leave a subscription down below. Now, guys, today we are talking about Usjava. You know, one thing about people, ne? One thing about people, they will drag you through the mud, and then after that, accuse you of being dirty. Like, how do you drag someone's name in the mud like that? You know, without even having proof. So, guys, there were rumors going around circulating on social media saying that Usjava raped Amanda Black, who is his ex. You know, I didn't know what is Amanda Black is Java's ex, but apparently they are exes. They were dating. So Kesana, someone decided to start spreading rumors on social media. And guys, as you all know, social media is very toxic. Once someone starts spreading rumors, the rumors will go all over. People don't care about proof. People will start sharing, people will start commenting. People started saying that Shukuti Lady Zama was not lying. Shuti Usjava really did something to Lady Zama, you know. So guess another rumor circulated and circulated. Who Amanda Black was still quiet about everything, you know. The rumor circulated. People started saying, "Good, they believe Amanda Black. We believe you. We also believe you, Lady Zama." And guys, Usjava just released a new album, and then this now pops up. It's like, what? Iyaphophapha lento lena. Usjava just released a new album nje. Such an inconvenience, you know. Kodwa ke sana, I am glad that Amanda Black decided to come on social media. She posted on her Instagram as well as on Facebook, correcting the rumors, you know. She stated ukuthi yena Sjava did not do anything to her, and also uh she is not the one who started the rumors. So she corrected that to Utiena. She doesn't know where these rumors are coming from. Shaba did not do anything. You know, Shaba did not grade her. So guess, and I'm really glad what she decided to actually say something, you know. I just wish that she should have said something sooner before the rumors started like circulating and spreading like this, you know. But yes, guys, Java's name has been cleared. He did not do anything to Amanda Black, and I just wish people could just stop spreading rumors without proof, you know, because now it is said allegedly that Java is taking actions against the person that started the rumors. Now apparently the person is on Facebook, Mark Shiwa, you know. So Good Trust Java is taking action against the person who started the rumors. The person is now going to be sued for defamation of character. Like, why uzifake enkingeni engaka? Why? Yo, guys, like, you know, I'm just hoping this will be a lesson to all of us, even to people who are sharing posts without even proof. Like, you guys are going to get in trouble one day, I am telling you. But guys, that's all I have for you today. Please make sure that you like, comment, and also leave a subscription down below. I love you. See you on my